Hi, my name is Adam and I'm the manufacturing engineer here at FlexArm, and today I wanted to show you how we use 3D printing in our manufacturing process. So I'll start off with how we design a part, and we make a 3D model in Autodesk Inventor. We save that model as an STL file. Then we open that file in the custom 3D printing software that came with our printer. It's called Eiger, and it'll pull up the part. The settings are pretty much already there and good to go. And then as soon as you hit print, it will create the code itself, send it to the printer, and that's all you have to do. The printer takes care of the rest. Our main purpose for the 3D printer is printing prototypes and custom end effectors. As an example, we printed this one out a while ago, and the material is called onyx. It's a very smooth and rigid material, and that can be reinforced with carbon fiber, fiberglass, and even Kevlar, making it just as strong as and possibly even stronger than aluminum. The big advantage of 3D printing in our facility is it frees up a machinist's time, while the part is still as strong as the application requires. So that's how we use 3D printing here at FlexArm. Thanks for watching and have a good one.